I got you, and you got me. It's all that we need, my baby, we got this. When all the things that matter seem to slip through your hand, you try so hard, but it's like holding on to sand.
Sobrang ganda ng kasal natin. Ang lakas natin kay Lord, no? Yung dadasal natin good weather, sinagot niya.
Go another day, but if I got you and you got me, it's all that we need, baby, we got this. If I got you and you got me.
Ito na ang araw na hinintay natin dalawa. Dati pinag-usapan lang natin to. Ngayon, dito na.
When the ground is the last one holding you up and you
Hindi pa ako nakapag-propose sa'yo. Nag-book na tayo ng maaga sa Dream Suppliers at makeup artist mo.
If I got you and you got me, it's all that we need, baby, we got this. If I got you and you got me, it's all that we need, my baby, we got this. Hold on, gotta hold tight. We're going to the night. Hold on, until the morning comes.
Nakampi mo ko sa lahat ng bagay. At higit sa lahat, kahit sang CR pa yan, hihintayin kita.
If I got you and you got me, it's all that we need, baby, we got this. If I got you and you got me, it's all.
Sa wakas, ito na yung pinakahinihintay natin dalawa. Mahal nung panahong magulo at maingay ang mundo para sa akin. Dumating ka nang hindi ko inaasahan.
Pero ang Diyos mismo nagsabi, "It is not good for man to be alone. Therefore, I will make a helper suitable for him."
They curse and laugh, do not fight. 1,000 men yell, crucify. As crimson stains, I fill your mind. You look upon me with delight. Oh, what love, how can it be? From that cross, you looked at me.
Maraming salamat sa pagpalaki sa akin. Huwag kang malala, nandito pa rin ako para sa inyo. Suporta pa rin ako sa inyo. Maraming salamat, Ma, Pa.
What a beautiful love.
Mahal kita, Ma, ha?
Ikaw rin,
Huwag kayong malulungkot ni Papa. Hindi namin kayo iwan ni Bonnie. Huwag kang malungkot, ha? Huwag lang malulungkot, ha?
And tears away the chains that bind.
For almost 7 years nating relasyon. Pinakatapis na nangyayari sa buhay ko. Natataling ko hanggang pagtanda ko. Kung paano mo ako sinamahan sa journey ko. Makilala yung Panginoon.
Oh, what love, how can it be? From that cross, you looked at me. Oh, love poured out for me.
Marami man tayong pinagdaanan, na ups and down. Pero ito tayo. Kinaya at pinaglaban natin yung isa't isa.
exactly what I prayed for. Nakatulad ng papa ko, mabait, mapagmahal, masipag, at higit sa lahat responsable.
Waiting in the quiet place, longing for embrace. Lord, I look to you. You're faithful to reveal your heart from the very start. I was meant for you.
Mi, salamat sa gift na to sana magustuhan mo rin yung gift ko sa'yo.
Show it, show it!
Ay, bakit ang dami? Thank you! Bonnie, thank you! Ang generous mo!
Open up the heavens. You rain down your love. Father, my heart is toward you. Yeah, you're more than enough. You're more than enough.
Ikaw lang gusto kong makasama sa pagtanda ko sa lahat ng bagay. Pinapangako ko sa'yo, sa harap ng mahal natin sa buhay, na maging mabuting asawa ko sa'yo at mabuting ama sa ating magiging anak.
You're more than enough. Oh, you are my inheritance. You hold my world.
Matagal kong hiningi ang katulad mo sa Panginoon, pero sa panahong handa na ako mag-isa, ay binigay niya ikaw sa kanyang takdang panahon.
Open up the heavens, Jesus.
So let's continue to praise and serve Him. And sa pamilyang bubuuhin natin, through God's grace and faithfulness, ang magical ng ating pagsasama.
You're more than enough. You open up the heavens, yeah. You rain down your love. Father, my heart is toward you, toward you. You're more than enough.
You are now husband and wife, one. You may now kiss the bride.
Kaya sumasumpa ako ngayon sa harap ng Diyos at mahal natin sa buhay. Handa na ako makasama ka hanggang sa pagtanda nating dalawa. Until the end of our lives, let's love each other and serve the Lord. I love you so much, Bonnie.
Kahit anong mangyari, ikaw at ako pa rin ang dulo. I love you more today than yesterday, and I will love you for the rest of my life.